Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, what you'll need to do is import the time module here and import shuttle. You might have to install that using pip and import in the OS module as well. So today we're going to create a little program that copies a file into another directory and then deletes the old file. So first of all, we're going to create a path, which I'm going to say here is C. Mark desktop. So that's my desktop, that is. It won't be your desktop, so you're going to have to find out what your unique desktop path is. Because if you simply type in this code, it will throw an error. So there we go, we've changed to the desktop path here, and now we're going to create a function called copy files. And we're going to type in here file is equal to input. So we're going to get the user input. And we're going to ask the user to enter file to copy. So they're going to enter the full file name. So if it's a file like a text file and it's called new.txt, they're going to enter in new.txt. Okay, and we're going to create this, which is going to be new dir, which is going to be the new directory. So that's going to be import enter dir name. So that's going to be the full path, like that one up there, this one here. That's going to be the full path that you want to enter. You'll see anyway when we run the program. So next one, we're going to use the shuttle dot copy the file into the new directory. And we're going to print out a message letting the user know what's happening. So file copied, file copying. Okay, now we're going to add time.sleep, and we're going to type in here 1 second. So it's going to pause the program for 1 second, so it will give us the impression that the program is working. And now we want to see what's in the directory, so we're going to use list dir, create a variable equal to os.list dir, which is list directory, and we want to list the new directory. Now to see if there's anything in it. And we're going to print out another message to the user. Print contents are list dir. So we'll show what the contents are in that directory. Then we're going to print deleting old file on desktop. So the file that we've copied is on the desktop, and once we've copied it to the new directory, we're going to delete it. Basically, we're going to clean up. We're going to do another time.sleep here. Time.sleep I'm going to say 1 second. Okay, to make it look like it's working. And then we're going to type in clean file here, create a little variable. And we're going to assign it to C:/ users mark desktop, and then the name of the file that we want to clean. And what's the file called that I want to clean? Let's have a look. It's here. It's called new. Okay, so it's going to be called new.txt. That's the file I want to clean. And we're going to use the command os.remove clean file. So it should remove that file off the desktop because we've already copied it into a new directory. And then we're going to print a message to the user telling them what's happened. Old, capitalize that, old file has been deleted. Okay, and now all we have to do is call the program, copy files. Let's just save that, but before I do anything else, we're going to copy this into here, and there's nothing in here, so I'm just going to put another txt file in there. I'm just going to put call it S. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to copy this file into here, and the original file we want to delete after we've copied it. So let's have a look, shall we? Let's save that there. Let's run it. Okay. Okay, a little bit of a typo there. Name error. Copy files. Okay, it's here. What I should have done as well, really, got the option to show the line numbers there, so I'll know where the little error is. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, no copy files not defined. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, seem to have made the same error there. I think this is the problem with my keyboard. Okay, we should be okay to go now. Let's run it. Okay, enter file to copy. Well, I think it was called new.txt. Okay, enter the directory name. So that's going to be, we're going to do the full path. The directory name is called new, of course, so it's going to be, pull that up there and pull that up there as well. It's going to be C:/ users mark desktop new. Okay, hit enter. Copy and file. Okay, so the contents here are new.txt and that other file that we created. Deleting old desktop file. Okay, old file has been deleted, so let's go and check it out, shall we? Okay, so the old file is gone. We've got the new file in here with all the contents in it and everything. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.